How to fix payment method was declined on iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open up your settings application in your mobile device. And once you are here, simply tap on your username. And once you are inside the settings of your username, simply tap on payment and shipping. Now once you are in this section, you'll have to go ahead and remove your payment method for one time and then simply add it back again. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. But if it still does not, then you'll have to go ahead and sign out of your Apple ID and then sign in back again. For that, simply scroll below and then tap on sign out at the bottom of the screen and then sign in back again. And once you do that, your problem shall be fixed. But if you are still facing the same problem, head back to your home screen and then open up your preferred browser. And once you are inside your browser, simply tap on help.apple.com. And once you are in this website, you'll have to go ahead and simply explain your issue and then find the support given by Apple. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.